Hi P2, we are going to start working on shapes. So our first shapes we're going to work on are 2D shapes, and this is a fun activity that I discovered that I want to show you. So if you have straws at home, and they have to be the ones with the bendable, they have these little bendy areas, okay? So if you have these at home, you're going to take them and you're going to cut them. You don't need them long. So about the same amount on the side with the bend, and then you're going to cut about that much after it, just approximately, and you're going to cut it just like this, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to tape them together, okay? So I have taped them together, the ends. I'm going to show you how I did that. I got a piece of tape, and I just attached one side to the tape, okay? And then I went and I did this side. Okay, and then you just twirl and it tapes it right up. Okay, so four of these pieces. So where it's going to bend is where these little bendy areas are. Okay, so you can kind of move them around and bend them. So we're going to work on shapes with these. So what shape do you see? Not perfect, but let's push this in. What is a shape? 4 equal sides. They should be 4 equal sides. This side's a little bit not equal, but 4 equal sides is a square. It is a square. What if I did it like this? Let's see if I can do this. Out there. Out there. This is long. If I did it like this. And this is just something you got to kind of play with. What is that shape? That is a diamond, right? It's a diamond. Now, you can practice putting different amounts together. So let's say I use 3 of these. So I'm going to cut 3 up, just like this. So I have 3. I'm going to take a piece of tape again, and I'm going to attach it to one side. That way I have my hands free. Okay, and then I'm going to take this other side so it lines up, and then just push the tape around it. Okay. Same with this side. Tape it. I have my hands free. Line it up, and then twirl it around. Okay, and my last one, I'm going to connect them. This one I'm only using 3 on. Take it, and right away you can already see a shape. Yes, it is upside down, but if I turn it this way, what's my shape? I have a triangle. So you can make shapes using these straws, and you can kind of play around with shapes. Can you make anything else using 3? Or you only can make a triangle? What about with your wrists? Rectangle. Do you think you need 6 maybe to make a rectangle? Or can you possibly do it using 4? Now let's say you don't have straws. That's okay. If you don't have straws, that's no big deal. Maybe your straws don't bend. So you just take your straws, maybe that don't bend, and you can just put it, here I'll move so you can see it on the table. So can you see the table? So then you just kind of make the shapes with the straws. All right. So they're a little bit different shape, but that is a square. I'll take one away and I'll make a triangle. Let's see if I can make, okay, can you guess what this is going to be? I need 2 more pieces. All right, 2 long sides and 2 short sides is a rectangle. All right, if you don't have any of that, maybe you have toothpicks. You know, toothpicks come in like huge amounts. They're always laying around the house. You can do it with toothpicks. Again, 4 equal is a square. You can make a triangle. I want you to try to make some shapes. If you don't have this, Play-Doh. Play-Doh works great. I love using Play-Doh as well. So 2D shapes, those are flat shapes. Those are shapes that you see on paper. They're not the 3D shapes like my cube. This is a 3D shape, it's a cube. This one side is a square, like this. This is a square. This is a 2D, it's flat. This is a 3D, it becomes a cube. It's dimensional. All right, so work on some 2D shapes and then look around your house and see if you can find what shape is your door? What shape is your table? I have a circle for a table. My table is a circle shape. What shape is your refrigerator or your oven? What shape is your bed? Okay, any of those. We're going to work on 2D shapes this week, and we're going to do some 3D shapes. I'm going to make another video for you for 3D shapes because that is a lot of fun. And I have some more ideas using toothpicks, and maybe I have marshmallows, so I'm going to show you using marshmallows, but you can use cheese, Play-Doh, anything you can put a toothpick into. Anything soft enough to put in a toothpick. Okay, we'll see you soon.